matching 20.
Oh, you did the white one instead?
Yeah, it looked better with the fit.
Oh yeah, not black on black.
Because they're like a different shade of black. This is like a faded vintage.
Oh, yeah.
These are like
Even though your shorts are not in the video, but whatever.
Right, that's a good point. That is a good point that you made.
But now we're just very matchy.
Yeah,
like
I'll
twinning.
change it. I'll change it then. You're right, you're right.
Well, you can't, yeah, I mean.
Well, I don't know. I thought you meant like it was a bad thing.
Huh?
Here, let's do this. Watch. Okay.
Check
We could
it.
be like matchy or we could be like yin and yang. Right? Ready? I like the jewelry and stuff.
Yeah, I think black is way better with you.
Yeah? Okay. Black and white, baby.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for coming by. We really do appreciate it.
We do.
We are working hard out here. Celine came all the way from Nebraska just to make this video. Now, where'd you come
Where's
from?
that? What's
Nebraska.
Nebraska?
Nebraska?
Never heard of it.
But no.
You can't just make up cities and like expect me to know.
Oh, okay.
People
Sure.
aren't gonna know what the hell Nebraska is.
Fair enough. But anyways, we've been making some videos for you guys, and why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself for the couple of people who don't know who you are. Because you are pretty, you know, famous, so.
Yeah, you know, like me and Cardi, like
I feel like you don't really need an intro.
Honestly, it's kind of like self-spoken, but
Yeah. If you guys really don't know who she is, I'm pretty sure most people in here follow you on Instagram.
Shameful.
What do you have,
if
like
don't.
3 million now?
God, at least 3.
Yeah. Did you just
No,
hit
like just 3.
just 3 followers
Just
total?
3 followers, yeah.
Okay.
No,
So yeah.
I'm Celine. I'm a singer-songwriter, and I make like lo-fi hip-hop, jazz.
Yes. She makes awesome music, guys.
Mhm.
If you need
Super vibes.
music, because these are all Uber and Lyft drivers, they can play your music in the car.
Yo.
Do it, guys. Do it.
Do it. It's super vibey, lounge type vibe.
And then take a selfie with you guys listening to the music, like a video, and then send it to me, and then we'll post it on Instagram.
We will.
Boom.
Literally. We'll,
Collab right there.
We will share it. We will promote you if you play our stuff.
Okay, now we're gonna get.
Okay, yeah.
We're good. Okay, now we're gonna get in the video. She has a crazy story. We were actually pretty much finished filming for today, and she was like, "Oh my god!" She was telling me a crazy Uber story, and I was like, "Why are we not filming that?" So
Literally.
we actually, you know, we canceled our lunch date at Il Pastillo. You know, we were meeting up with some big people, but
Dan,
yeah,
your neighbor.
my neighbor. Dan Bilzerian. What? Who?
He's literally over there though.
Don't. No,
The compound.
They're gonna find out where I live now.
Dude, no, your house is impossible to find. If I
Yeah,
couldn't
she
find it-
actually couldn't find it.
If I couldn't find it with GPS,
True.
you guys aren't gonna be able to find it.
True. Okay, so let's get started. Basically, you guys got kicked out of an Uber, right?
Yeah.
Your driver kicked you out.
Yeah.
So that's crazy. I mean, I personally, I've done a lot of rides as a driver. I don't know if you even knew that. Did you?
You drive cars? You have
Like-
a license?
Like, did you know that I drove for Uber and Lyft?
What?
You didn't know that?
I thought this was a cooking show.
Okay, well, whatever. But basically, I wanted to say, like, she's just a little jokester, guys.
I'm very like dry. I'm sorry.
No, I like it. I actually like that.
It's also what she said. I'm a sick fuck.
I actually have had a girl say that to me.
No. Get out.
Okay,
One
I
moment. We need to
cannot put
address
this
this.
on camera. Basically, I was fucking this girl, and
We might have to crop this out. Hold on. Play some
so
like elevator music.
I met this girl at like, this was in college. I was like at a frat party. No, yeah, I met her, and then we went back to my house. I was so drunk, literally like so drunk, and we were like
typical Monday morning.
we were like, I think we were like had kissed or made out or not even really like done much on the way back to my house. And as soon as we got in, it was just like go time.
Yeah,
and I tried to stick it in like before any like
Jesus
no foreplay or
Christ.
I think we might have even kissed like once, and I just went to stick it in. She's like, I'm still dry.
You gotta
And I was like, oh,
break
and I literally
through.
like went down on her for like 3 seconds, spit on her.
Oh my
and then
God.
Went back in.
It's like most guys,
Okay, I
honestly.
definitely cannot put that in the video.
We'll put that on your Patreon. That'll be your Patreon content.
God, that was not a good.
You sound like an amazing lover. Guys, for any ladies that are interested in Dylan, you should know.
But like
that he just goes. He just goes. Like,
no, that was like a one-time thing. Usually I usually I tease, do like a 3-hour build-up.
3 hours build-up?
I'm like, oh, you want me to go in? You want me to go in? I'm like, oh, okay.
She just starts like going on her phone and like emailing and shit. Sheesh.
Hey, I'm kind of into that.
He's kind of into it. Business.
I'm actually, okay, I cannot put any of this in, but no, just kidding.
Oh my god, where are we going? This is the second Patreon video. Let's go.
Okay, let's table that conversation and get back to the video. Okay.
Sorry guys, we're very immature.
What were we talking about? So we have
my story about my Uber getting kicked out.
So she got kicked out of her car, so she wanted to basically tell the story and
the lost tale.
Spill the tea and tell drivers, because you guys are watching, or passengers too, just how like real this stuff is.
Yeah.
And basically how that happened. So yeah, are you gonna tell the story about how you got kicked out of the club too, or was that totally irrelevant?
I could. I mean
maybe just like
they might love it.
Just say that like as a build up to the story, because that happened before, right?
That happened after.
Oh.
I got kicked out of the Uber, and then I got kicked out of the club. And I've never been kicked out of anywhere, so.
I've gotten kicked out of several clubs.
It's because no one likes you. You have one of those faces.
It's because I can't like, what?
I mean,
it's actually true. I have a very punchable face.
You look at, I mean, yeah, we learned that earlier.
Yeah, true.
He knocked his glasses off. They like hit the window. It was really bad.
Yeah, I've been kicked out of clubs though.
Sheesh.
Just being way too drunk.
Wow, you're a lush. What are you? 21? Sheesh.
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 Okay.
All right. Anyway, back on topic. Okay. So I was with my homies, Wave Pop. They're really sick.
Shout out Wave Pop.
Yeah, dude. Literally, we're about to shout you out in this Wave Pop. I'm about to call you out and shout you out at the same time.
He's like a main part of the story, right?
Yeah. No.
Can we link him too?
Should we? Yeah. Hey, we could. We could. Okay. Well, it's a group. It's Gray and Lanta in Wave Pop, and they're hella dope, right? They're cool, chill dudes. I was shook, okay? But I mean, we were going to Travis Scott's birthday party, and you know, you gotta turn up a little bit if you're
I honestly don't even know if most of my audience knows Travis Scott, because I have an older audience. So.
Wow, well,
Travis Scott, he's a rapper.
He's a musician.
Yeah,
some people know him.
He plays music.
He plays music. Every now and then, you know, he has a little following, at least one.
Just call people.
At least one following.
Following.
Yeah, right. That makes one of us. No.
Okay, anyway, so you're at his party, big rapper's party.
Yeah, no, so we're on our way, so we turned up
his
before.
Birthday party or no?
Yeah, his birthday
nice.
party. It just happened.
Casual.
And yeah, you know,
casually
whatever.
Hanging out at Travis Scott's birthday party.
That's fine. All the
casually celebrating his life with you.
No, so we're on our way, and we call the Uber, and we get in the Uber, and like Gray and Lanta, I love you guys. I love you so much. But this is a great story. People need to know. I've never been kicked out of an Uber. And so we get in, and like, they're going hard. They're all loud. They're like, yeah, being all loud. Like, we're turning it up. It's a party.
Very
like,
chill people, as you described them earlier.
I swear to God. Like, and this was like, yeah, okay. So, and immediately the Uber driver's like, nah, fam. Like, he's like, yeah, no, he had no chill, right? He literally just started baseline no chill. He's like, y'all, I'm gonna need you to tone it down.
What day of the week was this? Was it like a Friday night? Or no? Or was it like a random
No,
day?
it was like a Friday or a Saturday.
If you're driving
Uber, have his birthday on like a Tuesday.
You never know.
I mean,
it would still be a party. I mean, people would still come out. But either way, I'm just saying, like, if you're driving Uber or Lyft on a Friday or Saturday night, you should be like, you should expect that to happen.
Oh yeah, you should be fully prepared.
If you don't want that to happen, probably drive weekday mornings.
It's this dude's fault. He picked us up, and it was like 10 o'clock or something, or 9. And
usually Uber drivers are chill about that. They're like, yeah, let's go to the club.
In LA, in Hollywood. We were in Hollywood. Like, what does he expect? So yeah, we're literally just doing what anybody would do. Just like, yeah, we're going to the club. We're so excited. This is gonna be lit. Enjoying our lives. Just trying to be some cool, drunk young people. And then he's like, yeah, y'all, I need you to chill out. And Gray's like, he's like, what? How? how dare you silence me? I will not be silenced. And this guy's like, whoa, you need to chill out even more. And Gray's like, do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? And this guy's like, I don't give a fuck who you are, yo. Like, you need to chill out. And he's like, I'm a motherfucking wave star. Waves, big wave. This is literally this Uber driver like, oh my God.
He's like, I don't care who you are.
But the Uber driver was a dick. He was, I swear. He went 0 to 100 instantly. As soon as we stepped in the car.
I feel like most Uber drivers Friday night driving through Hollywood are cool.
So, yeah, this was his, like, what was he expecting?
Yeah.
But yeah, so he was like, he's like, nah. And he literally stopped the car, like not even 2 minutes into the drive. He stopped the car and he was like, get out, get out.
Damn.
And Gray's like, no, no, I'm not getting out. You crazy. I'm a wavy boy, yo. I'm a wave star. And then like
that's gonna help the Uber driver be like, oh, okay.
This Uber driver is like 60, right? Like he doesn't even know what rap is, right? Like he's like still listening to like people playing like bongos.
Wait, if he's
at this
60,
point.
he probably grew up on like Tupac, right? Or no?
I mean, if he's
Biggie.
cool, but he was
No,
not
he's
cool
like Run
that.
DMC,
This wasn't like an OG, yeah. Wow, this in the run, yo, this in the run. Anyway, so
What?
I don't even know. But yeah, Lance is like in the back, like, all right, dude, let's go, let's get out, let's go. And Gray's like, nah. Lance had to like pull him out.
Oh.
He didn't want to. They were going at it, man. They had like a chemistry. This was like a lover's quarrel at this point, right? I kind of respect that they were both so like up there. I kind of respect that amount of energy, you know. So, but I mean, we got out like Uber and had to wait like another like 15 minutes in the cold for one. It was fine. It was fine, casual. It's not like I got sick or anything that night, but whatever. So, yeah.
Didn't ruin your night.
It was great. It was nice. We got kicked out there. Then we got kicked out of the club.
It
was cool.
So you got kicked out, then you ordered a new ride.
Yeah, ordered a new ride.
How did that one go? Did you guys get it and tell them, yo, we just got kicked out, or were you being low-key about it?
No, we just talked among, the whole ride was literally, it was like just 15 minutes of just us trash talking that last Uber. Like, we were not about it.
Was the next driver chill?
No, he was chill as fuck. I think they talked to him about that, and the guy was just laughing, like, nah, it's Friday night, like what you said.
So to give some perspective, because a lot of drivers are watching this, you don't have, if you get like people partying, let's just, not even rappers, but just normal people partying. Let's just say rappers too.
Because rappers party sometimes.
Yeah, you don't have to be partying with them. You don't have to be like going nuts, going crazy. You can be chill. You can just like drive and let them party in the back. You don't have to like get involved and be like, because I know some people are like, oh, I don't know, I don't feel comfortable partying with them or being super loud with them. You don't have to. You can just get in and be like, hey, what's up, guys? Make yourself comfortable.
Yeah.
As long as you're not like destroying my car. Like the only thing I would be mad at is if they like, I don't know, rip a window off. But like anybody obviously would be mad at that.
The Hulk
but if
your passenger?
they're like, I don't know, scratch up the window. I don't know. But yeah, you can just be chill. You don't have to be, don't be like that guy. Don't be that guy.
If he was just like a little nicer about it.
Yeah.
Like, cause he was instantly like confrontational. If he'd just been like, hey guys, like, do you mind just like toning it down a little bit? Like, I'm trying to concentrate on driving. Gray and Lana are cool, they're chill.
Yeah.
Like, you know, they would have understood. Wave Pop's a cool group. And like, shout out. But he wasn't like that. So just be chill and nice. Like, we're all human, we get it, you know. Just be relatable and don't come. He came in with a bad attitude. He probably had bad drivers before and he was ready. But that's not even a good driver. Bad drivers
or bad passengers?
Or sorry, bad passengers.
The driver, yeah.
He probably had bad passengers before that.
Yeah, probably.
So, and he came in with a bad attitude, so.
Great story. Anyways, get the merch, guys.
Good story, bro. Cool story, bro.
Cool story, bro.
Wave Pop, I love you guys, though. I love you. This isn't a trash talk. This is a shout out for your plight. This is for you. May this never happen to anyone else again.
Never, ever. What?
That was like that was supposed to be like the dramatic music.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's their next song. They're gonna sample that.
Cool.
Oh, I could hear it with a beat. That'd go hard.
Cool.
But yeah, guys, drive safe out there.
Drive safe out there. Thank you guys all for watching today's video. Get the merch. It's currently 30% off. So honestly, go get the merch. And
crop top.
Yeah,
Like,
maybe
there's
do
a crop top version too.
quick walk around.
Right?
Turn, or spin around.
Turn around.
Every now and then.
Get a little bit something.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and I wear my crop top and I drown. Drown. Alright, later guys.
He's got the long sleeve.
I'm gonna go get a breakfast burrito because it's like 2 p.m. Maybe some ramen, I don't know.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna sleep.
Right? And then he's gonna sleep because, you know,
probably go out.
first world problems. He's tired in the middle of the day.
Yeah. Hey, we met up early to film today at like 11:30.
So early, 11:30.
Alright guys, we'll talk to y'all soon. Have a good day. Drive safe out there. Bye guys.
Bye.